కార్యక్రమాన్ని మీకు సమర్పిస్తున్నవారు భారత ప్రభుత్వ వ్యవసాయ మంత్రిత్వ శాఖ మరియు దూరదర్శన్.
It's my great privilege and honor to extend a hearty welcome and cordial welcome to the 4th convocation of Dr. YSR Horticultural University. I am extremely happy as today's ceremony reflects special moment to us. We are proudly sending our students into the world as trained, motivated and skilled citizens. I am glad that Dr. Trilochan Mohapatra ji, Secretary DARE, Director General ICR, is gracing the occasion as chief guest.
Despite the COVID during 2020, the growth during 2020 and 2021 has been quite impressive. The first two-quarter growth is at 3.4%.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I admit you to the degree of Doctor of Philosophy in Horticulture, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree.
Mr. Chancellor, I present to you 18 candidates and pray that they may be admitted to the degrees of Doctor of Philosophy in Horticulture for which they have qualified.
By virtue of the authority vested in me, I admit you to the degrees of Master of Science in Horticulture, and I charge you throughout your life to prove worthy of this degree. I am glad to inform that during the last 2 years, 85 students got admission in PG program at various state agricultural universities through ICR, JRF and non-JRF, while 25 students got admission into PhD in various state agriculture universities through ICR, SRF. 76 postgraduate students have qualified recently in NET conducted by Agriculture Scientists Recruitment Board. 6 students got Inspire Fellowship from the Department of Science and Technology. 4 students got Rajiv Gandhi National Fellowship sponsored by the University Grants Commission, and 1 student got Maulana Abul Kalam Azad National Fellowship for minority students in PhD program. 3 gold medals have been instituted for rewarding the best student of UG and best student of MSc Horticulture every year in their academics and merit certificates to toppers. University have been initiated Best Research Award and Best Research Scientist Award. Best Teacher Award for the years 2018 and 2019 for their outstanding teaching performance in the university is awarded to Dr. R.V. Sujata, Assistant Professor, Agriculture Economics, College of Horticulture, Venkatramana Gudem. Best Research Scientist Award for the years 2018 and 2019 for outstanding research work done in this university is awarded to Dr. Sri Venkatramana, Senior Scientist, Horticulture, Horticulture Research Station, Lam Farm, Guntur.
Presentation of awards to 2018-19 in this fourth convocation this university.
Horticulture crops play a unique role in India's economy by improving the income of rural people. Its role in the country's national security, poverty alleviation, and employment generation is becoming increasingly important. It is a great sense of accomplishment that horticulture production of India has reached 320.11 million metric tons, outpacing the food grain production. Thus demonstrates willingness and risk-taking ability of Indian farmer to accomplish the task of targeted production in horticulture to ensure food and nutritional security of the nation. UN declared 2021 as International Year of Fruits and Vegetables. Government of Andhra Pradesh had established Andhra Pradesh Horticulture University, second of its kind in India at Venkatraman Gudem, West Godavari district during 2007. Subsequently, it was renamed as Dr. YSR Horticultural University during 2011. This university as a mandate of human resource development through education, research, and also location-specific research dissemination of proven technologies through extension activities. A total of 42 institutions comprising of 4 College of Horticulture, 4 horticultural polytechnics, 19 research stations, and 4 Krishi Vigyan Kendras in the government sector, 4 private horticulture colleges, and 7 private horticultural polytechnics affiliated to this university are functioning under the control of the university. The university offers 4-year BSc Honours Horticulture, 2 years MSc Horticulture, and 3-year PhD Horticulture with specialization in fruit science, vegetable science, plantation, spices, medicinal and aromatic crops, floriculture and landscape, architecture, post-harvest technology, plant pathology, entomology, and 2-year diploma in horticulture. A total of 1,176 students are admitted every year into different courses of the university, consisting of 600 in BSc Honours, 67 in MSc, 29 in PhD, and 480 in diploma in horticulture. During the final year BSc Honours Horticulture, students register for the Rural Horticulture Work Experience Program and for Experiential Learning Program, where students develop skills through hands-on training so that they can understand the field problems, project skills, and project development and execution with an end-to-end approach to create their own enterprise and transform into job creators rather than job seekers. The university is developing entrepreneur skills among the students in different modules, that is commercial horticulture, processing of fruits and vegetables for value addition, and protected cultivation of high value crops, tissue culture, mushroom culture, bio inputs, vermicomposting, beekeeping, etc. In order to supplement the regular classroom lectures, several experts are being invited to deliver guest lectures on various topics for the overall development of the students, such as subject-related lectures, communication skills, personality development, etc. Experienced adjunct faculty are being invited from various disciplines to provide additional and approach-oriented information to make students competent for ICR, JRF and SRF and other entrance examinations. In spite of COVID pandemic, university stood first in issue of provisional degree certificates without affecting the academic year.
ఈ అభిప్రాయాలు తెలియజేయడానికి మా చిరునామా డైరెక్టర్ దూరదర్శన్ కేంద్రం పున్నమ్మ తోట విజయవాడ 520010. ఈ కార్యక్రమంపై మీ అభిప్రాయాలు తెలియజేయడానికి జీమెయిల్ ddSaptagirivija@gmail.com, ఫేస్బుక్ www.facebook.com/ddsaptagiri, ట్విట్టర్ twitter.com/ddsaptagirivija, ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ www.instagram.com/ddsaptagiri, యూట్యూబ్ www.youtube.com/c/ddsaptagiri. ఈ కార్యక్రమాన్ని మీకు సమర్పించిన వారు భారత ప్రభుత్వ వ్యవసాయ మంత్రిత్వ శాఖ మరియు దూరదర్శన్.